Peer review, the heartbeat of academic writing. Hello learners. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most essential aspects of academic writing in the natural sciences: peer review and feedback. This process ensures the quality and credibility of scholarly work, making it invaluable. Let's embark on this journey to understand why it's so critical and how you can make the most of it in your own writing. Peer review is a method used to ensure the quality of scholarly work by having other experts in the field critically assess it. Think of it like this. You've written a research paper, and before it's published or recognized, other professionals take a look to ensure it's up to par. Purpose: the main aim is to validate the research and improve its quality. Types: peer reviews can be blind, where reviewers don't know the author's identity, or open, where they do. The type chosen often depends on the journal or conference you're submitting to. Process: your work will be sent to multiple reviewers, often 2 to 3, and they'll provide feedback, criticisms, and suggestions. In academia, especially in the natural sciences, peer review acts as a quality control mechanism. Validation: it verifies the credibility of the research. A peer-reviewed article carries more weight than a non-reviewed one. Improvement: reviewers can point out areas of improvement or gaps in your research, enhancing the final version. Community building: it fosters a sense of community in academia. By reviewing others' works and having yours reviewed, you become an active part of the scholarly dialogue. Receiving feedback is a gift, but it can be challenging. Here's how to make the most of it. Stay open. Remember, criticism is meant to improve your work, not discredit it. Analyze the feedback. Some feedback will be more useful than others. It's up to you to discern which suggestions to adopt. Ask for clarification. If you don't understand a reviewer's comment, don't hesitate to seek clarity. Revise accordingly. Implement the feedback that resonates with you. Your paper will only be stronger for it. Just as receiving feedback is crucial, so is giving it. Here are some tips. Be constructive. Instead of saying, "This is wrong," you might say, "Have you considered looking at this from X perspective?" Be clear. Vague feedback doesn't help. Be specific in your comments. Consider the author's perspective. Remember, they've put a lot of work into this. Approach their work with respect. Provide solutions. Whenever possible, offer solutions or alternative ways to approach a problem. So there we have it, the beautiful world of peer review and feedback. Remember, in academia, particularly in the natural sciences, the aim is collective growth and the advancement of knowledge. Peer review is an essential tool in this endeavor. We hope this video has shed light on its importance and how you can engage with it effectively. Happy writing, and until next time.